Hello, this is a tutorial to show you how you can record directly into your YouTube account and then upload it to Blackboard. Everybody has a YouTube account because we're part of Baker College, and Baker College is a Google educational app institution, and Google owns YouTube, so thus you have a YouTube account, and it's the same password, ID, login that you use to get into this account. So you go to youtube.com, log into your account, as you can see I've done here. Once you've done that, you're going to go over to this area right here, and you're going to click on this upload button. This is where you would go to upload a video that you've already made in YouTube for maybe a different purpose, and then decided that actually you had it somewhere on your computer and needed to actually load it into your YouTube account. This would be where you would do that. But you click on upload to get to this screen. What we're really looking for is this area right here, webcam capture. Webcam capture. So obviously you have to have a webcam, and I also encourage you to use a headset with a microphone and an earpiece, or at least a microphone. That way you'll eliminate some feedback that you get by trying to use directly into your laptop or directly into your desktop, because oftentimes you may not notice this, but when you do record and play back, you'll hear all kinds of noise, all kinds of white noise, and it's generally from the fan. The laptop manufacturers have a kind of a unique perspective when they build their laptop, trying to cram everything in there, and so they often, unfortunately, have the fan and the microphone located really close together. So it's always a good idea to take the time, get yourself a headset with a microphone and earpiece, and that will work real well for you. So in the record area here, we want to do this webcam capture. We're going to click on the record. That opens up this particular screen here. It's a black screen. Once I hit start recording, my webcam will come on, and along this right side here there will be a green bar that'll move as I talk. This is the volume. You're going to want to make sure you see that actually inside the screen. So at this particular point, I'm going to start recording. So here we see I'm actually in the webcam. Hi, this is me. You might want to do some things with adjusting lighting and so forth. You might want to take a look at what's in the background to see if there's any distracting evidence or items there that you might want to get rid of and not have there. Get as close as you can so people can see what you need to do or what it is that you want to share. But as you can see, our timer is moving here. Our volume control is going up and down. If you didn't see any green, you might want to check. You may accidentally have it on mute or something like that. So when I'm done, I just hit stop recording. And as you can see, it has stopped recording. I'm going to get this upload button over here to the side. I'm going to click the upload. Now I have some information in here. This is a date and timestamp. I can put a description in here, whatever I want to call it. I'm going to want to go over here and probably adjust this item here. Its default is public. You're probably going to want to make it unlisted. The difference is, if this is listed as a public video, anyone who has access to youtube.com can run across this video. They'd have to actually search by the subject, or new videos. Anybody who actually kind of subscribes to the idea of, I want to see every new video that comes on YouTube today, they could get access to it. But generally what they would do is they would search by topic. So they're probably not going to run across it anyway. But if you wanted to be safe, you could actually change it from public to unlisted. What unlisted means is anyone who has the link to the video, they're the ones who are going to be able to open it. Somebody won't be able to accidentally stumble upon the video and get access to your video. So then you want to click Save Changes. Okay, so we've now created our video, and our video is actually in our own YouTube account. So now how do we go about putting it into Blackboard? So we're going to launch Blackboard. I'm just in as a student in a test class. So I'm going to go into this Blackboard test shell, and I'm going to pull up this particular course that I'm in. And let's see. Okay, so one of the things that I'm going to need to do is this video can go anywhere. I have to put this video in the class using the web link or the code, and it's really easy to do through YouTube. I'm going to actually go in and identify the space that we're going to put it. We can put it either in a discussion board, or we can put it in the grade center through like an assignment link. There's all kinds of different places, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, here we go. I was in the wrong test class. I was looking for the seminar folders. So I'm going to click on seminar folder, assuming that this is an assignment that I have that I need to post to an assignment link. So I'm going to go down here to seminar 6 in our test class. And I happen to know there's an assignment link here that hasn't been used for a test submission. I'm going to click on this Seminar 6 integrated case. And this is where I want to throw that particular video in. So normally this would be where you'd browse your computer for some type of file. You might put some comments in down here. But what we need to do is we actually need to find the text editor with the toolbar. So in order to do that, you're going to click on this Type Submission, and you're going to get this drop-down menu here with your toolbar and your dialog box. Now the first time you do this, it may actually look like this. You might only have this one line of the toolbar. You need to come over here to the right, this little drop-down chevron here. Click on that. That gives you the 3 lines of the toolbar. You're going to go over here to what looks like this little video camera, webcam. You could actually record. I have another tutorial on Video Everywhere where you can record directly into the spot, which also utilizes YouTube. But in our case, we're actually using YouTube to record the video, so we need to get access to a video submission screen. So if we click on this record, it kind of looks like it would bring up and allow us, which it would. We could sign into our YouTube account and we can actually record right here. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go into my browse area. I'm going to click on sign into YouTube, grant access. Now it has my account. I'm going to click on browse, and here's my webcam. All I have to do is click insert. I could preview it if I had a lot of videos with similar names to it and dates and times and so forth. I couldn't tell which one this was. As you can see, a lot of the other ones that I've recorded for testing purposes kind of look the same, and you really can't tell what they are. So I could preview it to make sure that I knew what it was. I also have the ability to do some small editing features here, but this happens to be the video I want. So I'm going to click on insert. I have the ability to just default to this particular choice, play in place, and keep the proportions the same. This is not a bad idea because we're not sure what type of device somebody's going to open this up on. If you make this the width and height too large, it's possible that somebody on a mobile device might not be able to get full screen. It might actually be larger than that. So this actually shows up pretty nice. You could make it a little larger if you want. I haven't found that to be necessary. So this is the default. The other choice is to do it as a thumbnail. And if you do it as a thumbnail, you get a little small picture, but it also opens up the video in a brand new window. So that is something you might want to consider. For this purpose, I'm just going to keep it in play in place, and I'm going to click on insert, and our video is right there. So once I go down and click submit, the video is here. Now I'm going to talk for a second because it's going to take just a moment for this video to actually kind of get rendered and pop up in our screen here, but you'll see that in a second. The faculty will have an access to go in. If this is a student submission, the faculty will go into Grade Center and be able to access this video and then make comments. Students can also go in and make sure that this video is there when they need to look at it, double check and make sure it's there. One of the things that I will kind of remind you, or something that's worth noting, is that it's a good idea to keep your video to 5 to 10 minutes max. You can go as much as 15, but beyond 15, there's all kinds of problems. The video will kind of freeze up at various points. It will not render and play all the way through, kind of in a stream type of a mode. So click on Grade Center here. Find our video so you can see what it looks like on the student side of things. I think this was Seminar 6 someplace. Oh, why can't I find Seminar 6? Seminar 6. Integrated case. And then you just have a video pops up here. This is a video that I recorded that pops up in the Grade Center and can be played back by the instructor just by clicking on the box. And then you'll have this information here. This was something a little bit different. I found out I couldn't play it in the one I was testing in because that's a test class and it's not fully functional and doesn't tie the student to the Grade Center. So I just went in and grabbed just another one from the Grade Center so that you can see what it looks like. Students do have access to go into the Grade Center and pull it up just like they can see that they've submitted an assignment. They have the ability to see that this particular assignment is submitted as well, and the instructors have the ability to go in and watch the particular video that's been submitted, and they can submit grades and give feedback right there in the Grade Center. So just wanted to show you how you can use YouTube to create a video and then upload it to Blackboard. Thanks.